Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at Lattice Semiconductor. This is ticker LSCC. Lattice Semiconductor has basically been going sideways since August. You can see this nice long base of consolidation and nice big volume pops. When the stock goes up, it goes up on high volume. When it pulls back, generally, it pulls back on low volume. As you can see here, the last couple of sessions, the stock has been finding support right around the 50-day moving average. If I move this bar down, you can see the red line there. That is the 50-day moving average. And it's kind of getting into a nice tight consolidation pattern where, again, stock goes up on high volume, pulls back on low volume. So the buyers are stepping in to support this stock at these levels. I think what you want to watch for is a break above, let's say $20.10 here on LSCC to start a small position. Starting that small position, you're able to put a stop just below this low from Christmas Eve here. And, you're not risking more than 5% on that small position. And then I think you want to add to that position if we get a break of this bar here. If we take out that bar on volume, that's around $20.60. So you could probably set an alert at $20.55 just to take a look at it and see if the volume is confirming a move to the upside. And you're really going to want that volume confirmation strictly because the stock has been going sideways for so long. And every time it kind of comes up to these levels, a seller takes over. So again, I think you could start a small position with a break of $20.10 and add with a break of $20.60, again, keeping a stop just below the 50-day moving average. So I know this is one stock that we're watching at StockMarketMentor.com, and I hope it works out for you. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. Have a great night.